towards the red dot. And welcome back to Nordschleife then. I'll give you some tips. They put a lot of barriers with tires, so a tire wall. Be aware of that because they are really close in some places. That's what, like, the main change that you find between 7 years ago and now. You can go on the gas right here. Yeah. Keep it on the gas smooth. You want to brake before the compression. Brake hard here. Nice. Straight line between the next corners. Easier on the gas, so you don't get catched by one of the jumps. Don't touch any of the curves. Getting close to the curve on the left, all the way close to the barrier. Brake properly hard onto the white and red barrier. Wait, turn in. This is a wide line here where you want to turn in smooth on the gas, and brake hard before the bridge here. Brake hard, turn in, smooth on the gas. Use the full drag on the left. Try to change around 5,000. That's a perfect torque that you can get from this car. Brake high, straight line here. Nice. Wait, turn in, close to the curve, and use the whole drag aiming for the last part of this curve. Keep it on the inside on the gas smooth. Let it flow all the way to the left where the number 2 is. Tap on the brakes and then turn in. Just keep it on the left, smooth on the gas, keep it on the left, and gas. Now you can go gas. Nice. Keep it on the inside there. Let it flow all the way onto the outside. Brake hard, straight line here. Brake harder. Turn in. Brake hard onto the white and red barrier. Turn in. And make a straight line between the next corners. Straight lines through here, keep it close to this curve. Straight line through here. Easy on this one. This is just flowing. I would be even in 4th gear. So you don't smooth on the gas, let it flow all the way to the right. Point onto number 3. And brake hard onto number 3 here. Wait. Turn in really close to the last part of this curve. Wait, and easy and smooth turn in on the gas. And change on the gas. And change. Gas and change again. Keep it on the gas smooth. Never lift here. Easy on the gas here, so you brake on top of the hill. Easy. Wait. Brake hard. Turn in on the gas. One single turn to the right. Smooth on the gas. Be extra careful with the bikers. You never know how much pace they have or anything. Stay smooth on the gas. Long left. Smooth on the gas. Keep it on the left. I think he saw you. Yeah. Go on the gas. Nice. Keep it on the inside. Easy through here. You're gonna let it jump. Don't brake here. You want to brake after the jump where the triangle is. Brake high, straight line here. Harder. Turn in number 5 on the gas. Smooth. Easy and smooth. Perfect. Keep it on the inside. Brake properly hard at the end of this curve. Now brake properly hard. Harder. Wait till the gravel starts to actually turn in. And turn in. Smooth on the gas. When you see Yokohama, you can go on the gas. Remember the curves because you can destroy easily a tire. Easy on that. Straight lines through here. Keep it on the inside. Straight line through here. Straight line through here. No need to brake anywhere till I tell you so. Keep it smooth on the gas. Don't brake there. Turn in really close to the curve. Brake hard now. Properly hard. Nice. Turn in. You can use the curve on the left. That's the only one that you can use. Brake hard. Straight line here. Turn in. Smooth on the gas, straight line between these corners. Careful with this one because it's a re-tie one to the left. Just better smooth and easy. Keep it on the inside, nice. Keep it on the inside, nice. Go, now, go. Straight line through here. And change gear. And change gear. And change gear. Stay smooth on the gas. Keep it on the outside. And brake now. Brake hard, turn in on the gas again. One single turn to the left. They flow all the way to the right. There's a graffiti there. Brake hard here. Brake harder. Harder. This has low corner, so careful with this one. It can put you easily there. Smooth on the gas, let it flow out onto the left. Brake hard where the biker sign is. Brake properly hard here. Wait. And then turn in really close to the curve. Wait and use the whole truck on the left. Smooth on the gas. Let it flow out onto the right. Tap on the brakes here. Easy on the gas, you are going downhill and you don't feel it. Yeah. So just careful with this one, you're gonna have a fast car on your left. Brake hard, straight line here, stay on the right. Slow down, put your signal to the right and let him pass better. Nice. Smooth on the gas through here. They flow out onto the left. Brake hard, straight line now. Brake hard, straight line here. Turn in. leave the brakes, brake hard onto the red barrier. Brake hard here again. They flow out, they flow in. Smooth and easy on the gas, keep it close to the curb, use the whole track on the left. Nice. The triangle there is the turning point, so don't brake, turn in on the gas smooth, brake hard now, properly hard. Wait, this is the lowest point of the Nordschleife, turn in on the gas, one single turn to the left on the gas, 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 gas. Perfect. Before the compression, tap on the brakes here, turn in on the gas, use the whole track on the left, use it, use the whole track on the left. Gas, smooth on the gas so you don't brake there, stay smooth and easy on the gas, don't brake, turn in on the gas, brake hard in the triangle, properly hard, properly hard here, nice. Wait on the left till you see a house, wait there on the left, now turn in, this is gas, use the whole track, yeah, because it's just patience, if you get to see the house, that's where you can go on the gas. This is a long left going up the hill. Keep it smooth on the gas, change gears. Try to use as much gears as you can. Keep it on the way on the outside. Stay on the gas, turn in on the gas. Gas, 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 gas. Nice. Keep it on the inside. Try not to move the steering wheel there, okay? Yeah. Don't go on the outside here. You can easily crash here if you go onto the grass there, you see? Yeah. So better keep it on the middle. Never try to go all the way onto the left. Great. Car straight like here, yeah. Turn in. On the gas, smooth on the gas, long left on the gas. Keep it all the way. I always brake here, just a tap on the brakes here to put grip in the front, turn in, and then on the gas again. Use the whole track on the left, get closer to this guy, and brake high straight line now. Wait, you cannot overtake him on the right. Stay on the right, slow down, he has to pass to the right. Yeah, he has to understand that he has to move to the right. Nice. Now he gets it. Very high in straight line, yeah. 4 tires inside the carousel and smooth on the gas. Keep it in. People, straight line through here. The problem is that if a marshal sees us overtaking him on the right, we can get into big trouble and you can just forget you for your life. So tap on the brakes here, turn in on the gas. Smooth on the gas, use the whole track on the right. Brake hard the whole curve. Nice. Make a straight line between the next corners. Smooth and easy on the gas. And we're gonna get onto a place where you're gonna get a lot of speed just going downhill. So careful here. Brake hard into the house. Turn in. After this small black round house, here you should be going already 5th gear. Brake before every single corner because this is where everyone crashes. And brake harder in a smaller amount of time. So leave the brakes there. Brake harder here, turn in, don't use that curve, brake high in straight line here, you saw wide, brake high in straight line, turn in, wait, easy through this one is the one that catches a lot of people, brake high in straight line here before the Yokohama, turn in, you see you were way too fast onto it, easy through this section, especially here you don't want to end up in YouTube, turn in, smooth on the gas, use the whole track on the left, use the whole track on the left. Brake high straight line here before the compression. Wait, turn in really close to the curve and use the whole track on the left. Instead of forcing it, use the blocks on the left. Even these blocks, you can use them. Yeah, brake hard before the compression here. Nice. Wait, turn in really close to the curve and make a straight line between these curves without touching any of them. Smooth on the gas. Keep it on the inside. They flow all the way to the right and make a straight line through here. Smooth on the gas. Tap on the brakes, let it jump, and then brake again. Turn in, one single turn to right, smooth and easy on the gas. No need to brake anywhere here, just stay smooth and easy on the gas. Turn in, let it flow all the way to the outside, stay smooth on the gas still. Keep it on the gas smooth, no braking, no lifting. So stay on the gas, 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 gas. Straight line, don't touch any of the curves. Wait, in, straight line, don't touch any of the curves because you're gonna lose control of the car. Brake hard at the end of the barrier on the right. Brake hard in straight line here onto the left. Nice, turn in really close to the curve. Smooth on the gas, nice, brake hard in straight line here, careful with the faster car. Stay on the right, smooth on the gas again. Gas, nice. He double think that much. Brake hard, so he was double thinking. Brake hard in straight line, nice. Turn in really close to the curve. Wait, wait, and use the whole track on the right. Never force it here so you don't end up in the new shiny barriers there.
Yeah.
Keep it on the left there. Brake high, straight line here, properly hard. Turn in, on the gas, use the whole track on the left. Careful there with the gear changing. Wait. Where the toilet is, turn in, and gas, flat out. Don't lift, just don't lift. Out. Leave the gas here, let the car cool down, and that was all good. Well done. The only thing that you have to work